I'm Asia, and today we're making faux ground beef from walnuts and mushrooms. It's not real ground beef, but it's going to taste like it, kind of. Today's recipe features walnuts as well as mushrooms. Mushrooms are low in calories as well as fat and are great for brain health, and walnuts are high in omega-3. This recipe is great for nachos or tacos. You can also incorporate it into spaghetti sauce, and it makes a wonderful addition to stir fry. For this recipe, you're gonna need a food processor or even a blender, as well as a non-stick pan, and you're gonna need access to an oven. Everything's gonna go in the oven at 400 degrees when we're finished. To begin, we're going to add walnuts, mushrooms, a bit of broth, some sun-dried tomatoes, onion, garlic, and some black pepper to our food processor. Before we can saute our walnut and mushroom mixture, we need to whip up a quick sauce for it to cook in. That sauce is made of a little bit of low sodium vegetable broth, soy sauce, some of the oil from our sun-dried tomatoes, and onion and garlic powder, as well as smoked paprika. Next, we're gonna saute our mushroom and walnut mixture over medium heat and add in that broth spice mixture that you just made. We're gonna cook it for 5 to 10 minutes or until all of the liquid has reduced. Once you finish sauteing your mushroom and walnut mixture, you're going to dump that out onto a parchment-lined sheet pan and cook it at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. So our walnut and mushroom faux ground beef keep in mind, it's not supposed to taste like ground beef. It's not trying to be ground beef, but it looks absolutely delicious and it is ready for the spaghetti sauce that I'm making this evening.